In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to onboard and retain employees with Gusto in 2025. Hey, it's Erin from StartupWise. If you're a founder or small business owner, you already know hiring people is one thing, but keeping them engaged and happy is a whole different challenge. That's where tools like Gusto come in. They make onboarding smooth and help you keep employees around for the long haul. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know not only how to use Gusto step by step, but also why retention is just as important as onboarding. And yes, we'll even peek at their pricing together so you can see how it fits in your business. Why onboarding matters in 2025. Let's start with why this matters. Onboarding isn't just paperwork, it sets the tone for the entire employee experience. Think about it, when someone starts a new job, they're nervous, they're excited, and they're trying to figure out if they made the right choice. If your onboarding is clunky, lost forms, confusing payroll setup, late benefits, people will notice. And in 2025, with so many employees open to remote and global opportunities, first impressions matter more than ever. That's where Gusto shines. Instead of juggling forms in email or tracking who signed what on paper, everything's done in one platform. Step 1 is set up your company profile. Before we jump into the live walkthrough, you can open Gusto in a separate tab using the link in the description. That way, as I click through payroll and benefits, you can follow along and start setting up your own account in real time. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go to the welcome page for Gusto. We start on Gusto's main dashboard where the first task is to go ahead and run payroll. And we'll go ahead and go through each step. Here you can review each of your employees' payroll details and adjust as needed for bonuses, cash tips, and more. It matters because paying people accurately and on time is the single most biggest trust builder with a new hire. This first run sets the tone that your company is organized and also reliable. So step 2, review payroll details. So inside the regular bi-weekly payroll view, I'll show how to review hours, bonuses, and cash tips, and make quick edits if something has changed last minute. Why it matters is catching errors here avoids costly corrections and keeps morale high, so there's no surprises on payday. You'll also be able to approve time off as part of payroll flow, and you can easily distinguish between sick leave and PTO hours. All right, so before you finalize the pay, we will go ahead and double check the withdraw amount, the tax breakdown, and the company costs. Why it matters here is you stay compliant with federal and state tax rules and protect cash flow by knowing exactly what's leaving your account. With Gusto, every time you run payroll, they automatically calculate and file your taxes with the right government agencies, and other providers charge for this, but for Gusto, it is included. Step 4, turn on Autopilot. So after approval, Gusto lets you enable Autopilot so payroll runs automatically every cycle. It matters because if there's fewer manual steps, it means fewer mistakes and more time back for hiring or growth projects. Step 5, add and manage benefits. Next, we'll move to the benefits tab to set up health insurance, life insurance, 401k, and other perks such as company car. And supporting your employees is more important as ever, which is why they offer those comprehensive benefits as well. And why it matters is because benefits are one of the biggest factors in employee retention. So setting them up early on signals a long-term commitment to your team. Step 6, explore medical, dental, and vision plans. Finally, we dive into each benefit category, like medical, to show how employees enroll themselves. From no cost, low cost, and premium benefits, Gusto offers medical, dental, vision, and more. Their licensed advisors are here to help you build the right benefits package for your team. So why it matters is self-service enrollment saves hours of admin work and gives employees immediate control over their coverage, which builds that trust. All right, now let's go ahead and look at pricing. There are several different plans. There's a simple plan, a plus plan, a premium plan, and a contractor only. So for the simple plan, this one is normally $49, but right now it's showing as $0 per month plus $6 per person. It's meant for small businesses that just need basic payroll. Then we have the plus plan, and it's for businesses needing advanced payroll benefits, HR, and time and attendance tracking. It is going to be for, again, 3 months free. It's normally $80 and also showing as $0 a month right now, plus $12 a person. And it has all the simple features plus multi-state payroll with next day pay, which is really, really great, time tracking and PTO management, hiring and onboarding tools, and health insurance admin and broker integration. Then there's the premium plan for scaling businesses needing full-time payroll benefits and HR with dedicated support, normally $180, also listed at $0 per month, plus $22 per person. This one's for scaling businesses that want the full service experience, including dedicated support. Now, why is pricing important? Because every founder needs to balance features with budget. If you're just starting out, simple might be all you need, but if you're building fast and want to retain people long term, investing in the plus or premium plan can actually save you money by reducing turnover and admin headaches. Wrap up. So here's the bottom line. Onboarding and retention aren't just HR buzzwords. They're what keep your startup running smoothly and your employees happy. Gusto makes the process painless. Everything from payroll to benefits to compliance is in one place. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll drop the link down below, startupwise.com/gusto. And just so it's clear, this is an affiliate link. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. This is Erin from Startup Wise. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.